Okay, so today we'll discuss about the SDT. Okay, SDT also called as syntax directed translation. This is module 3, right? Module 3. Okay, so what is mean by SDT means SDT is also a context free grammar only. Okay, so if any grammar is given, consider any grammar is given. Grammar means like E is equal to E plus T, whatever you studied before, right? Yeah, E is equal to E star F. Whatever grammar is given, yeah, S is equal to A, something, anything grammar will follow by some rule if you given that semantic rule called semantic rule. Grammar plus some semantic rule, it's become a SDT. Okay, syntax directed translation. So you can define the SDT means any SDT can be implemented by first building a parse tree. Parse tree means tree only, right? Like E is equal to E plus T, whatever you done, right? So building the first a parse tree and perform some action. Okay, right, according to that some action, okay, some rule, and then performing the action in a left to right depth. Okay, first order. What it mean here, as consider if any grammar is given. Okay, this grammar along with rule if you write, then it's become a SDT, yes, some syntax direct translation. I will take the example, then you will understand more better. Consider is given this one. Is given here the same which one already very popular to grammar. E is called to given E plus T. Okay, or T. T is called to T star F. Yeah, only F given, and F is equal to some ID. Yeah, num is given. Okay, this grammar already we have done the LL1 and so many things we have done right before. So now consider this is grammar only given. This grammar I will add it some rule. Grammar, yes, also called a semantic rule. I will add it, then it's become SDT. So what is the rule have to add it, that we have to, okay, according to the SDT you have to decide. Okay, like consider here this one is given E is equal to E plus T. Okay, so I can write it, this one rule I'm writing, then I will tell you the why I have written this one, we'll see later. But just I'm writing the print plus, getting, this was the rule I have given. Next is E derives T is given, so just I'm breaking with the separate E derives T given here, so I have done nothing. Okay, this one T star F is given, so just I'm writing print star. This one just I'm giving the rule, and consider they again given here T derives F, then I'm doing null, nothing. Okay, and F divide ID given here, F derives ID, then I'm printing num values, whatever the values given, yeah, ID values, getting. This is the grammar was given. I have added some rule here. How I taken this rule? You can take any rule based on the which type of SDT you are deriving it. Just I am taken here the simple this one rule here, and we'll see that what it's going on after once you apply this rule, this grammar it's become what for the this one's here. this one actually grammar was given. Expression may be expression plus term or term, right? Term may be term into factor, yeah, only factor, and factor is any numeric value id. Okay, when I added this corresponding this set of rules, then it's become this same grammar. It's become a conversion of infix to postfix. Getting how? See here. Consider any numbers to consider. 2 plus 3 star 4. Okay. This one you given the any expressions. If you convert in the postfix, what it will come? 2, 3, 4 star plus. Because first will be a star only, no? So this will be your corresponding postfix. So let's see, by executing this now, this grammar with the set of rules, it's able to do it or not. Getting here? So what I will do it here, I will write the numbering of these rules which I have written here. This is, I will consider rule number 1, this is rule number 2, this is rule number 3, rule number 4, and rule number 5. Any doubt till here? So now I will draw the sum. See here, this rule also have to consider like a one grammar only, just to derive the parse tree. I written the definition only. STD can be implemented by first building a parse tree, right? Draw the parse tree for this one. E derives what is given, E plus T and 1. So you take as E plus T, and this also you consider as a one node only. Rule number 1. In doubt till here? Now here E derives what is given. Now see here, based on this one you have to draw 2 plus 3 star 4. Okay. Hello. So I will take now E is a T, right? Because I don't want to more this one to exploit it. So E I will take as a T. So T and 2. This 2 means this is your which one semantic rule is given, right? T may be what next? Factor or rule number 4, right? And 4 may be your which one? ID, yeah, rule number 5, right? So now you tell me this one here, this which is this is given your rule. This is all our rule only. Okay, don't confuse with this. This is rule. ID is equal to how much? 2. Now T will do it here. T becomes what? T star F, right? And rule number 3. Okay. Next T becomes your F become num, right? ID. F become this T become your F, and rule number 4. F becomes your ID and rule number 5, right? ID is equal to how much? 3. This values is next ID. Now F become here ID and rule number which one? 5. And this ID become 4. Any doubt till here? Any doubt till here? So tell me. Now you have to read it like this. See here, always you go from the what? Like this way only, no? This is 2, right? 2. This is the what? Rule number 5. This is the rule number 5, right? I will take another color so you will not confuse only. This is what? See here, whenever the reduction is there, whenever encounter a semantic action is there, perform the semantic action also. Getting here? Like, so whenever the reduction is there, you perform the action. Okay? So here reduction is there because 5 is what reducing it here. Till here no reduction, right? 2 is what reducing it here. Perform the action, rule number, which one? 5. 5 means we have print the id values. So print the id value means you print the value is 2. Right? Now here again reduction is there for rule number 4. Print nothing. So nothing to print. Do the reduction of print number 2. Nothing. Right? Then this one is what? No reduction. This is not reduction, right? Because this is not the any semantic rule only, no? Now 3. 3 is when here only it will print because here only reduction happened. Here only reduction happened, follow the rule number 5. What is the rule number 5? Print id. Print 3. So we are printing the value is 3. Right? Again we are going here. Again here reductions is there 4. Perform rule number 4. Rule number 4 is nothing here. So nothing to do it. Now 4. Because reduction is what here? Rule number 5. Rule number 5 reduction means this print the id values, which is 4. Right? Then reduce. This one reducing the rule number 3. Rule number 3 is what? Which one? Print a star. Print a star. Then again is what going ahead, and again a reduction is there. Reduction means there perform the actions. Whenever the reduction is there, perform the actions. That should keep in mind always while reading, solving the problem. Whenever the reduction, go to the grammar, go to the actions, go to the rule and perform the action. So here perform the action means rule number 1. Rule number 1 is print plus. Plus here, and then it will what? End up. Okay. So we have gone from the top to, okay, this is also called as top down parser, right? Because we are going from where to where? Top to down, right? Is the top I started here? No. Top, and it's going from the top to down. Any doubt till here? So when keep in just only one thing, if any grammar is given, we'll perform some rule, we'll apply some rule, it's become a SDT. And when we study and then how to decide this rule, that only have to learn in this full chapter. Getting here? So now here while parsing it, we keep in mind whenever the reduction is there, go to the grammar, go to the rule and perform the action. Any doubt till here? So now we'll see one more example. Consider this one is given. First we will learn if any grammar is given, then how to perform the rule. Okay, then we'll learn how to design the SDT. I consider question is given here. S derives X, X and W. This one is given print 1. Okay. S derives Y. Print 2. W derives S and Z. Print 3. Getting? So is given here, this is the grammar, right? And this is the semantic rule. This become a SDT. Now the question is given for the string X, 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 Y, Z, Z. What will be the output of the of given input string? Any doubt till here? This is the question only. Okay. So now see here, first what I said, whenever the question comes in the SDT, first you draw the pass tree, right? So pass tree means, just to assume this one as a also is one, this one also consider as a what, one rule only. Okay, so just to write it here, this is rule number 1, rule number 2, rule number 3, right? So we can write S derives x, x, w, and their rule number 1, right? Next I have to draw it x, x, 2x is over, sz we can take. Okay, so w derives here, I can write s and z. So tell me next, and this sz means this one also have to take, which one? This one. Again s is what, x, x and w, and rule number which one? 1, right? So now 1, 2, 3, 4 x is over, this w gives y only, right? sz we can take, so it becomes another z also required, so we can write here s and z. S will give y, rule number also write it, this one rule number was 3, right? And here z is what, 2z, you already got it here, right? So y, and this is 2, right? Any doubt till here? We already know the how to construct the pass tree for the given grammar, right? Grammar is given string is given, so like which one we have studied in the ATC theory of computation subject, to draw the pass tree. Now you perform the action, what is the output you are getting for the this string? This string already we have drawn the pass tree, now we'll scan it and we'll find the output here. So here is what, there are no any rule, no any reductions here, right? There are no any rule of reduction till here is what, no any rule of reduction. Here there is what, reductions is there for the rule, right? So reductions is rule, then go to the corresponding grammar that which is given the rule of, and perform the action. What they are performing here? Print 2, so we print it 2. So now here next we will go to the this one here. Okay, so now it's become how much? 2, 3, and then again it will 1, 3, and again 1, right? 2, 3, 1, 3, 1. Maybe it's given like 1, 2, 3, that's why you'll confuse, but you can write it here if you want. You can write ABCD also, ABC you can write it. So if you write here A, this is consider printing A, and printing B, printing C here, so what will you perform? First we'll perform the second number, means B. C. Okay, so this will be the output. So this is how we have to draw the grammar with semantic rule will perform the SDT.